Hi and welcome, I am here today with HTC Desire 21 Pro and I'll be showing you how to customize your notifications bar. First you have to go to the Google Play Store and look for application called OneShade. Excellent. Now install the first application that pops up. Now open it. Wait for a while. Now we have to give the application following permissions: dual SIM, allow, accessibility, OneShade, use service, allow, and now notifications, OneShade, allow. Yes, I agree, don't show again, and we are good to go. Now if we try to open our notifications bar, as you can see nothing really changed. So let's try, for example, changing the background color. Go to colors. Now tap on background color and choose whatever color you like. For example, let's go with this pinkish color. Apply. Now if we open our notifications bar, as you can see, its color has changed to pink. We can also change the text color. For example, let's go with, I know, green. Yep, apply. And of course it doesn't look very good, but it's for a demonstration. And there are many different things you can do using this application. You can change the layout, add triggers, pop-ups, and there are some extra things. But that's everything for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Goodbye.